The ajRegExpCount function counts the number of times that a pattern occurs in a string using regular expression. In this video, we would like to show you how to use this function to count number of the alphanumeric characters in a range of text. We input some text in A1 and B1, which will be the text to be searched. Select any cell and type equal, then ajReg. Select ajRegExpCount. Then open the parameter window by clicking here. The first parameter is input string. It could be a range or a piece of text. We input A1 to B1, then it will search the text in A1 and B1. The second parameter is the regular expression to match. It follows the basic regular expressions of the IEEE POSIX standard. For alphanumeric, it shall be a bracket and input upper A to upper Z, lower A to lower Z, and 0 to 9. The third parameter is the position in input string, where the search will start. The default value is 1, which means it will start from the first position of input string. The next parameter is ignore case. We can specify whether it is case sensitive while matching the regular expression. Default is false, which means it is a case sensitive search. The last parameter is to state whether the caret sign and $ operators shall match against a new line boundary or not. It is also an optional parameter. Click OK. The result 10 is returned. It means there is a total of 10 alphanumeric characters in the input string. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to use AlchemyJ.